welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video we will be talking about the exercises or you can say worksheet that's related to the present perfect continuous tense. If you have missed out the videos of the worksheets of the earlier kinds of present tense, you can see the link down in the description box. Without any further ado, let's get started. In the first exercise, you have to write what these people are doing or what they have been doing. Okay, so like in the first picture, they've been shopping. So the couple have been shopping. So they have been shopping. She has been watching. So she's watching TV now. So she has been watching TV. They have been playing tennis. They have been something that they were doing. He has been exercising, something that the boy is doing. So now you have to write a question for each situation. Okay, so these are all question words that you have to write. For example, you meet Paul as he is leaving the swimming pool. You have to ask that if Paul swims. So have you been swimming? You have just arrived to meet a friend who is waiting for you and you have to ask that how long your friend has been waiting. So how will you say? How long have you been waiting? How long have you been waiting? You meet a friend in the street. His face and hands are very dirty. You ask, what have you been doing? तुम क्या कर रहे थे जिससे तुम्हारे हाथ इतने dirty हैं? Your hands are dirty now. A friend of yours is now working in a shop. You want to know how long. So, full-fledged question words it will start from. So, how long have you been working there? A friend tells you about his job, his mobile cell phones. You want to ask how long that he has been working. So, how long have you been selling mobile phones? Question mark. So, these are the full-fledged question words and there are some words which are starting from helping verbs. Okay. In the next worksheet, you have to read the situations and you have to complete the sentences. Okay. It's raining and the rain started 2 hours ago and it is raining now also. So basically, present perfect continuous tense is the tense which denotes the task that has started in the past and is continuing in the present and is not sure that the task will continue in the future or not. We are waiting for the bus. We started waiting 20 minutes ago. So we have been waiting. हम बस का 20 मिनट से इंतजार कर रहे हैं. We have been waiting for the bus for 20 minutes. I am learning Spanish. I started classes in December. So I've been learning that from the past December. So I've been learning Spanish since December. Jessica is in the supermarket. She started working there on 18th January. So Jessica has been working in a supermarket since 18th January. Our friends always spend their holidays in Italy. They started going there 3 years ago. So, as I told you, one of the use also is that it is used to denote an action which is repeatedly going on from the past and it's continuing repeatedly. For example, I have been practicing music since 2009. So, something that I was doing and I am practicing and repeatedly I am doing it now also. So, our friends have been spending their holidays in Italy for years. So now you have to put the verbs into the present continuous or the present perfect continuous. Okay. So Maria has been learning English for 2 years. Hello Tom, dash for you. Where have you been? So hello Tom, I'm looking for you. तुम कहाँ थे? I'm presently I'm searching for you, but where have you been earlier? So यहाँ पर present continuous use आएगा. I am looking for you. Why dash you look at me like that? Stop it. Why are you looking at me like that? So why are you looking? Present perfect continuous tense क्यों नहीं आएगा? क्योंकि वो काम अभी present में हो रहा है at the time of speaking. Linda is a teacher. Sentence is Linda is a teacher dash for 10 years. Something that is she's doing consistently since a period of time. So Linda has been working. Dash think about you said I've decided to take your advice. So मैं सोच रही थी तुमने जो बोला कब से सोच रही थी बट मैंने डिसाइड किया कि आई विल फॉलो योर एडवाइस. सो आई हैव बीन थिंकिंग व्हाट यू सेड. आई हैव बीन थिंकिंग. इज पॉल ऑन हॉलीडे दिस वीक? नो डैश. Okay, so Paul is not on holiday, so he's working now at the moment, recently, presently. So we'll not use the present perfect continuous tense, but we'll use the present continuous tense. Sara is very tired dash very hard recently. तो इन दिनों में सारा बहुत हार्ड वर्क कर रही थी. Now she's very tired. So she has been working hard recently. So yes guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Love you all.